Hello everyone, this is Mitali here from Fabulous You, and this video will be again on the new collections on the dresses which I'll be going to show. Booking number is 9711952266. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and also do follow my Facebook page. So let's start off with the beautiful collections. Here I come up with a beautiful party wear black dress. You can see the length and the pattern. It's very pretty. You get this cut all over here, and because of this cut you get a very leaner waist. Okay, the look comes in a very leaner waist, you can see. And this one, the size which will fit 38 to 40. Okay, it's a very beautiful, office wear parties also you can wear a beautiful party wear dress in 38 to 40. You can go it for just for 650 free shipping. Just for today's prices, just for 650 free shipping. Here comes a very beautiful dress, you can see, and it comes with the pocket also. This one is an E-Shakti dress, and again the size is 38 to 40. E-Shakti dress hai ye, beautiful color. Okay, beautiful color. It comes with the belt also. If you don't put the belt also, that is also fine. It is in georgette with lining. A beautiful dress. It comes with the front button style, but it comes with the front button style, but it's a long dress, and it's of E-Shakti brand. 38 to 40 can go for this beautiful dress just for 650 free shipping. So here again comes a beautiful soft cotton dress. It's a soft cotton dress, and this one, the size which will fit 36 to 38. 36 to 38 can go for this beautiful cotton piece. It comes with the tassels like this in a lovely blue and white combination. 36 to 38 for this. So this one is a very pretty dress. You can see it comes with the string. But it is not of my size. Somehow I have fit in. It will fit small, medium. Okay, it will fit extra small, small, medium. Extra small, small, medium. Okay, 32, 34 and 36. 32, 34 and 36 can go. A beautiful pretty green color. It's a lovely green color. 32, 34 and 36 for this dress. I have this beautiful purple color dress. You can see it's a lovely purple, and this one is of size 36 to 38. 36 to 38 can go for this beautiful super comfortable dress. This has also got elastic. Okay, so 36 to 38, I think 40 also can go, but the size is L. Okay, so 36 to 38 can go for this beautiful dress. Next, showing in small, there is a small size party wear. Okay, all are for 650 free shipping. It's a completely party wear dress. You can see it's a beautiful party wear dress in small size. Okay, a beautiful party wear dress, and this is a very lovely pink color. It is something on a peach pink or onion pink, sorry, on a onion pink tone. It's completely a party wear, and don't think that ye aapka chubega. It is a very soft piece. Okay, it's a very soft piece in small color, small size. So it comes with the side zip. So 34, 36 can go, I guess. अच्छा, क्योंकि ये स्मॉल लिखा है, सो आई वुड रिकमेंड 32 to 34. A very beautiful party wear dress. ठीक है, 32 to 34 can go for this. Again I have got a small dress. ये भी बहुत स्मार्ट पीस है, very स्मार्ट पीस. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्मार्ट पीस है. आई लव दिस टाइप ऑफ पैटर्न. ओके, ये आपका ऐसे, ये आपका पेस्टल शेड में है. इट्स अ वेरी सटल कलर, एंड दिस वन इज ऑफ साइज, ये भी आपका स्मॉल है, 32 टू 34. ओके, ये भी आपका स्मॉल साइज है, 32 टू 34. इस बार मैंने थोड़ा स्मॉल लाई हूँ. बहुत लोग स्मॉल मांगते हैं, तो आई हैव गॉट सम स्मॉल, बट ऑल द बेस्ट पीसेज ओनली आई हैव गॉट. 32 टू 34 में रहेगा ये. ऐसे इट कम्स विद द बैक बटन लाइक दिस. अ वेरी स्मार्ट पीस. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट शोइंग इन द सेम रेट. ओके, क्योंकि अभी फेस्टिवल्स आ रहे हैं, सो आई वांट कि ये भी चला जाए. सो दिस इज 4042, a lovely pastel orange color. ठीक है, 4042. लुक एट दिस गाउन. ये भी आपका 650 फ्री शिपिंग में मैं दे रही हूँ. 4042. जस्ट टू क्लियर द स्टॉक 650 फ्री शिपिंग, ये सॉफ्ट नेट पे रहेगा. लुक एट द गाउन, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल गाउन है. ओके 40-42 फॉर दिस. एंड आई हैव गॉट अ डिफरेंट कलर, a different pattern, and this one is of size 44-46. 44-46 को जाएगा. 44-46, this is the front. 44-46, बहुत प्यारा पीस है. लुक एट दिस 44-46, just 650 free shipping only for today. 650 free shipping, 44-46. Next here 42-44. Oh sorry, double XL. This one is double XL. Okay, double XL is 40-42. 40-42. Okay, 40-42, बहुत प्यारा लॉन्ग गाउन है. A lovely color. 40-42. 40-42 can go for this. ये सब remaining pieces है, that is the reason I'm giving it at this rate. So this one is a lovely color combination dress. ये देखिए light purple से dark purple में जाएगा. It comes with the belt, but I don't feel that belt is required for this dress. ठीक है, अगर बेल्ट के साथ आपका ऐसे आएगा, विदाउट बेल्ट इज लाइक दिस. एंड दिस वन द साइज इज 36-38. ठीक है, 36-38. स्ट्रेचेबल भी है, नीचे तक लाइनिंग इनर भी है, सिल्क इनर. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल पार्टी वेयर ड्रेस. So here comes this piece I forgot, 44-46, बहुत सुंदर piece in wine color. Okay, 44-46 को जाएगा. Very beautiful piece and it comes like this. When you wear it will be like this. ये आपका sleeves में रहेंगे and this will be again as half shoulder ऐसे करके. ठीक है, 44-46 को जाएगा. Beautiful gown, 650 में आपको कहीं नहीं मिलना. Okay, a beautiful gown in 44-46. Next showing this cotton dress. This cotton dress, ये आपका प्योर कॉटन पीस है. दिस इज अ कम्प्लीटली प्योर कॉटन विथ lining and this cotton lining, and this one the size which will fit 36, 38, 40, 42, 44. Okay, it's a completely stretchable piece. Sorry, 36, 38, 40, 42 is fine. ठीक है, 36, 38, 40, 42. It comes with the black with a golden work like this. 36, 38, 40, 42, super comfortable. Waist also is intact. It's a very beautiful piece. Here comes a cotton dress. Here comes a cotton dress in 38-40. ठीक है, ये 38-40 को जाएगा. ये कॉटन ड्रेस है, completely super soft cotton, and it comes with the cotton lining. Okay, so these were the collections for today's dresses. It's a new collection and I'm giving it a very reasonable rate, just 650 free shipping. Grab your pieces and dispatch will be done ASAP. Thank you so much. Please do like and subscribe my channel also.